Hi, I am Ariadna Mondragón Botero, a PhD student in the Plant and Microbial Biology Department at the University of Minnesota's Twin Cities campus. I am mostly interested in the conservation and restoration of tropical forests. I have been working in forest restoration in Madagascar for the past 4 years. My work has been centered in the tropical dry forest, one of the most endangered forest ecosystems in the world. Working in Madagascar has been a challenging experience, but also a very rewarding one. Experiencing firsthand a diverse culture in a remote country has added a lot to my grounding as a biologist and as a human being. Inspired by my field experience, I wrote a teaching case study for restoration ecology with Dr. Susan Galatowicz. To date, I have taught the case study in 2 graduate and 1 undergraduate courses at the University of Minnesota. Through discussions in small groups, students learn how to use ecological information and weigh uncertainties to make decisions that are typical in the restoration profession. Most importantly, they familiarize themselves with the obstacles and technical limitations that entail doing science in one of the poorest countries in the world. Besides sparking in students a scientific interest, I have had enriching conversations about how sociopolitical issues affect science development in different countries. This year, the case will be published and made available for instructors campus-wide who would like to incorporate it into their classes and expand the coverage of tropical research in their curriculums. I am part of Dr. Power's lab, and our research group is currently conducting studies in the dry forests of Colombia, Costa Rica, Madagascar, Mexico, India, Puerto Rico, Tanzania, and Vietnam. With 2 colleagues from the lab, we have been working on the development of a children's science book. Its main character is Pisotito, a young coati explorer who visits dry forests around the world and learns about their biology, ecology, and how to conserve and restore this precious ecosystem. We will translate the book into Spanish, French, Swahili, and Vietnamese, and we partnered with Market Science at the university to participate with our book in various science outreach activities throughout the state. With this book, we hope to empower the new generation of explorers and spur their critical thinking. I am from Colombia, a country that has dealt with the burden of violence, corruption, and drug trafficking for more than 60 years. But Colombia is much more than that. In my time at the University of Minnesota, I have actively worked to destigmatize countries like mine and be able to share the cultural, musical, gastronomic, and natural wealth that also defines us. For this reason, I have participated as a volunteer at the Usher Lifelong Learning Institute, speaking about traditional Colombian music. I have also been engaged since 2019 with Global Minnesota through their Classroom Connection volunteer program, where we visit various elementary schools in the Twin Cities and we share with the students different cultural aspects of our country of origin. This ignites children's curiosity about the world and helps them learn about and appreciate international diversity. My career goal is to generate and share knowledge that can contribute to the conservation of natural ecosystems and to stimulate a diverse and inclusive community of scientists in my country, especially empowering women who would like to pursue a scientific career. I would like to thank the selection committee and the Global Programs and Strategy Alliance for selecting me as one of the 2023 recipients of the Mestenhauser Award for Excellence in Campus Internationalization and for recognizing the valuable contributions of students. My goal is also to inspire other students and faculty with international experience to share it with the University of Minnesota community. Thank you.